Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the matrix positioning system for the CAD feature. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we're into the program here, I'm just going to remove these shapes that we did from our linear positioning. So now we're going to be looking at the matrix positioning, which is the third icon from our positioning options. You can see it's a square with a 6x6, or I should say 3x3 row. So I'm going to, this time maybe go circle or circular shape. I'm going to make this 100, say OK. Now our tools are available, so I'm going to click on matrix and click on the canvas so we can add it. Now as you guys can see, this one's slightly bit more advanced as we have different options to look at. So from our X, like with our other ones, this is going to be deciding where's our beginning origin. So I like to leave this 0 so I know it's a nice base, but in some designs you have to add this to another place or maybe even a hotspot, which is convenient. Then next up here we have the AX, or the AX and the AY. So now what this is going to do, if you look on a preview, it's going to set the distance between the shapes on the horizontal and vertical plane. So this is once again the distance between two or our shapes. So like we checked before, if I had to make this 100, they're going to be on each other. So let's go 200 by 200. So now there should be a nice 100 space between all our shapes. Then next up here, we've got NX1 or NX and NY. So this will be for numbers, or how many numbers of shapes is going to be on your X and how many numbers on your Y. So what I'm going to do on X, let's go 3. And then on Y, let's make it 4, just so it's different so we can see it. Say OK, and here we go. Now we've got 3 on our X, and Y, we've got 4 of them, with a nice 100 spacing between all of them. So yeah, the matrix, that is it on the matrix. It's a very handy tool if you want to have a quick setup. You can now obviously remove shapes very quickly. If you want to just use it as a base, hit delete, and then you have a shape going. So very convenient, and it's a little bit more advanced, like I say, compared to the previous ones, but it is a very handy tool if you want to quickly get a lot of shapes equally spaced. But yeah, otherwise, before we head to the next one, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training video you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, but in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.